While in California, melting snow is expected to really test levees. Right now, much of Yosemite National Park is closed until at least Wednesday from floods caused by the snow melt. Of course, we had a few bursts of pretty heavy rain in central Indiana today, but take a look at this. This is out at IMS this afternoon. Pretty cool time lapse of clouds starting to pass over the speedway. This was before those storms hit earlier tonight. And that's probably the last time, Kelly, that we want to see clouds over IMS. We're getting to that time when the window of opportunity, we want to be wide open.
We want that dome over the top of the track so there's no rain during the entire month of May. Fingers crossed, right?
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yes, it really would make things a lot easier from the weather
for
department.
sure.
But
well,
yes,
we'll get it out of our way tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we still have more rain in store for tomorrow, even on Monday too.
Okay.
Obviously earlier this evening we did have a couple of thunderstorms that brought some hail, pea-sized hail at many locations and some heavier downpours. But here's a look at the past 6 hours. We do have some rain off to our west. This is in central Illinois, making its way to us. Now, we do think a lot of this is going to start falling apart. We don't think it's going to be quite as heavy once it makes its way here. But here's a look at the rain totals we've had so far over the past 24 hours. 4,500ths of an inch in Muncie, only 800ths of an inch in Indianapolis, 1,300ths of an inch in Shelbyville, and just under an inch or a half inch, that is, in Bloomington. Right now the air temperature is at 51 in Indy, it's 52 in Lafayette, 49 in Bloomington, and we're going to continue to see those temperatures falling during the overnight. And at the surface, the dew points are still pretty dry as well. Already seeing the winds shifting out of the northwest. That's going to allow drier air to move in, and that's going to allow the clouds to stick around through the morning and then clear out a bit before the next round moves in. But this will happen during the overnight. Not expecting any kind of thunderstorms with this, just rain. And this will continue to push off to the east. In the early morning hours, we'll likely see some sunshine first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures will fall into the low 40s. 43 degrees the low for Indianapolis, and then we are going to be tracking more rain for Sunday. We will see the clouds returning. The winds will be a bit breezy from 15 to 20 miles per hour Sunday afternoon. So here's a look at future track. Again, we'll see a few breaks in the clouds, and then by early afternoon we'll start to see this counterclockwise flow with the showers moving across the area, perhaps a couple of isolated thunderstorms here, but it's going to be periods of rain on and off really from early afternoon all the way into tomorrow evening. Now, as far as rainfall potential goes, we could pick up a couple of tenths of an inch, perhaps less amounts in some of those downpours that could only just bring a few hundredths of an inch. So keep that in mind. We're going to add on to those totals that we've had today on into tomorrow. Then as we go into Monday, we're going to watch out for this trough of very chilly air that's going to be making its way into the Midwest. It's going to have some pretty big impacts. We're going to see the winds increasing as well. 20 to 25 mile per hour winds, sustained winds at the surface on Monday. So it's going to be a blustery day. It's also going to be wet and chilly. Temperatures only climbing into the upper 40s. And then as we go into the work week, we are going to continue to see chances of I should say very cool air in the meantime. 56 degrees for Sunday afternoon. For Monday, we're only climbing to 49 degrees. More showers will be around. It will be a windy day. Still breezy on Tuesday. We start to dry out, and then we finally start to rebound back into the 60s. Wednesday looks beautiful. Highs in the low 60s. We do bring rain chances back into the forecast for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees.